Hello everyone, welcome you to this amazing tutorial by WebTech Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a portfolio website like this. And the amazing part is that you don't need any code. Everything is without code. You can build a portfolio website like this without any code. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing you're going to need is to get an hosting provider and a domain name. And to do that, there are several hosting providers. We have the Namecheap, we have Bluehost, we have Hostinger, we have DreamHost, we have a lot of them. But in this video, I am going to make use of the Namecheap hosting, and I will show you how to purchase a domain name and a hosting from Namecheap. So go to namecheap.com. You can find the link to Namecheap in my description. The description of this video below, you are going to find the link there. Just click the link and it will lead you right to this page. But if you already have an hosting and a domain name, you can just skip this part and move to the next part of this video. Once you get to this website, the first thing you are going to search for is their hosting plan. You are going to take a look at the hosting plan and choose the one that suits you the most. So just go to hosting and click on the shared hosting. There are several types of hosting, but what you are going to make use of is the shared hosting. And then scroll down. You can see three different plans: the Stellar plans, the Stellar Plus, and the Stellar Business. Just click on the one that best suits you and best suits your business. For this first one, there are some free domain names available like .fun, .host. But if you are creating a personal portfolio, I would advise that you use .com. But if you are creating a portfolio for a studio, you can still use .studio. Or if you are creating for an agency, you can use .agency, and these are actually for free. But for me, I would prefer that I use .com. Okay, and choose one. So once you choose one, let me just choose this Stellar plan and click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, you're going to see where you can purchase a domain name. Then just click on this new domain name. But if you have an existing domain name, click on Existing Domain Name, or I'll just choose New Domain Name. And okay, this is the domain name that is already added. But if you don't have any domain name that has been added to your cart, just you will see where you can put the name of the domain name. You just put anyone, your name.com or anything.com or anything.studio, anything.agency. It can be anything actually. And once you will see a button that says connect to hosting, just click on the button and you will get to this page right here, and then click add to cart. Okay, this is where you can add it to cart. And then I have a coupon code that you can use, and this coupon code will actually reduce the subtotal by 20%. So you get a 20% off. Just click the link in my description below to go to this Namecheap, and then use this coupon code that I also provided in this description below and put it here, and then click on apply. So I'll show you how to apply that. Just paste it here and click on apply. All right, you can see it has reduced to $28.46, and click confirm order. So once you click on confirm order, you'll be asked to either log into your account or create an account. Well, for me, I already have an account, so I will just log into the account. And if you are new to Namecheap, just create an account and input your details and click on create account and continue. So once you create the account and continue, you'll be directed to a page whereby you'll be asked to input your payment details like PayPal, your credit card, and other payment details that you would like to use. So let's check that page out. Okay, so this is the page, and you'll be asked to input payment details that you use your credit card or use the PayPal or use the account funds, And you can fund your account either through your credit card, debit card, PayPal, or through Bitcoin, or through any method actually. So if you're using your credit card or your debit card, just put the name of your card here, then your card details, and then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will get a page to ask you to confirm your payment, and then you are going to get a successful message and you'll be directed to your own page, or sorry, to your dashboard. So let me show you how the dashboard is going to look. This is just how your dashboard is going to look like. And go to this hosting list and then log into your cPanel. So this cPanel is where we are going to install WordPress. And if you are getting this kind of error, it is not a difficult thing. All you need to do is just to switch on your VPN, because the cause of this error is that your IP address keeps changing, and then this causes error. So what you're going to do is to go to just use your VPN. You can just get Wingsky VPN or any free VPN. Just go to the Chrome. If you're using Chrome, just go to the Chrome store and install any kind of VPN. So let me just switch this on, and then I will refresh this page, or let me go to cPanel again so that you see what I'm talking about. You see that this thing is going to work. It won't display any error or anything again. So you can see this is how it works. And go to WordPress, click on WordPress. This is where you are going to install WordPress for your website. Now, for some cPanel, you might not see WordPress. You might see Softaculous App Installer. It might not be WordPress. Let me back it and show you again so that you're going to see what I'm talking about. You can see this. You might not see this or this WordPress. You might just see this. So, or if you can't find it, just search for it. It is going to be on any cPanel. Well, I think Hostinger is exempted. You will easily see where you can set up. If you're using Hostinger, you see where you can easily set up your WordPress, and that one is even much easier than this. Just click Softaculous Apps Installer or click WordPress. So you are going to see different scripts, and WordPress is always the first one. And click install. Once you click install, you see some domain names that you'll be asked to choose from. So just choose your main domain name. For me, I'll just use a subdomain name for the sake of this video tutorial. I don't have any new domain name, so but for you, just choose the domain name that you bought, and then the site name. You can always edit this later. So let me just use myself for an example. Let's say the site name, let me use my name. Then the description, and then the admin username. Just click admin, just write admin, or anything. Can be anything. It can be anything actually. Then the admin password, just write the password. Okay, then the email can be anything actually. Can be anything. The email can be anything. Let me just write this. Then you don't need any of this. Then click install. I think we are good to go. So this will just take some few seconds, and then it's gonna work. You can see it already worked. And this is the URL. This is the administrative URL where you can use to sign into your dashboard. Or if you click it directly from here, you can easily get to your dashboard. So just click it. You can see that you already got to your dashboard. Or let me just show you how you can easily log in case you are opening it from another browser or another Chrome window or another Chrome user, sorry. So just, this is the link, the admin link. So once you paste it on any browser, You are going to get this. Just the username is admin and the password. So just log in and you will get to the dashboard. You can check your website by clicking here. Just open it in a new tab. I can see this website is just empty. This is the default 2024 theme. And if you want to install a new theme, click on the appearance and you will see the themes. Just click on it. You can see about 3 default themes, and we are not going to make use of any of these 3, but you are going to install to add a new theme from the WordPress repository. Just search for any theme you want to use, but for the sake of this video, I am going to use the Finalizing theme. It's actually a free theme and it's actually the best for a portfolio website, and it is free. It is 100% free. This is the theme I am talking about. Click install. And activate. Once you activate it, you are going to get this page. Thanks for choosing Finalizing. Please make sure you visit our welcome page to get started. So let's get started. This is where you can set your theme. You can change the settings of your theme. Let me install the recommended plugins first. So these are the recommended plugins. So click install and activate for the 3 plugins. So let me activate this and activate this also. So I don't need to set this up for now. I can do that later. I'll just cancel this and go to the appearance and go back to the arrival setup. Then the recommended plugins, they say it remains 1. I've not activated this. Click activate. Okay, I think I've activated the 3 plugins. Then go to import demo, click here and import the demo. Just click install and activate and just wait for some few seconds and then this demo will be activated. These are some of the demo samples that you have. I think these demos are kind of awesome. This is a restaurant website, a portfolio website. I think I actually love this. I love this so much. This is a wedding website. You can see that this is a free theme and yet it has amazing demo. It has amazing demo. So let me just, since we are installing a portfolio website, click this. This is a portfolio website. There should be another one. This is also a portfolio website. So you can click any of this. Let me just click this. Click this. So click on imports and just wait for some few seconds, and then you'll be asked to install some required plugins. I've activated 3. It remains this contact from 7. So click activate. Install now, and it's already active. And go to the next step. Click install this demo. So this will take just some few seconds depending on your internet speed, but just be patient and this will be done very soon. Okay, you can see demo imported. Let us see the results. Click see the results. And you can see that this is very perfect. This is very perfect. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to customize our website. We are going to change the text, the picture, and one thing is that you should make sure you have a website content. If you just have, you can use ChatGPT to write a website content for you, and then the major thing you need here is just your website content, and the rest is very easy. I will teach you how to edit the text and the pictures. There's nothing difficult there. Click edit with Elementor. So let me open this in a new tab so that we can always check our changes on this live website. And I actually love this website so much. I love this demo so much. You can see it automatically scroll when you click on one of them, and this also has the jump button right here. Let us see how to edit it with Elementor. This is if you want to use the Elementor AI. Let me just continue. Okay. Now this is the website. You can use your picture as a background picture. So let us start from there. To use your picture as a background picture, just click on this navigator and click on this section. So you see this column. You can either use this or you can close this and just use this. So I think this is much easier, this one. But if you can't find the navigator, it is right here. Just click it and you can check everything here. But let me teach you this. This is actually more easier. So once you click here, you will click on style. Note that this one covers all this. It covers all this. Why this one covers all this? You can see the box. It covers all this. This one covers just this text. This covers just this text. This one covers just this one. This one covers just this button. And this one is empty. So, and don't delete this. This one is just empty. So, but this one covers the whole of this one. This one, if you click here, this one covers the whole of this one. So let me go back to this. Now, if you can't click this, this is just disappearing. Okay, it's disappearing, but that is not an issue. Just go to the navigator and click it from here. Then I can close this. So it has already displayed it. If you want to change the background picture, just click here. You can actually change it to anything. If you have your own picture, you can upload it from your laptop files, or you can download any picture from free stock website like pixels.com or splash.com, and then just upload it and drag it here. Let me just try to upload one. So let me just go to pixels.com. You can choose not to use your own picture, but because for me, I don't have a picture that looks like this and that has a dark background with my face half showing. But I can use any picture. Since I am also a web developer, so I'll use a picture maybe related to someone present laptop. Let me just search for laptop. So let me just use this one so that I won't take more time. But this one is actually a vertical picture or a portrait picture, but we need a landscape picture. Let me see if the other ones that are landscape pictures. Well, if there is none, I will have to just choose anyone. But this is one. Let me just use this one. That I won't waste too much time looking for pictures. And okay, I will upload a picture here. Upload files. Sorry, this is not a picture. And I would need this. So let me try it again. Yeah, this is the picture. And select. Okay, so now you see, just write a name here. Click on this. Any text you want to edit, just click on it and you see where you can edit it. You don't need any code to do this. All you need to do is to know how to drag and drop, and you're good to go. So this, you can write anything here. Just write the text, write anything there. This should direct them to the link whereby they can download your CV. Well, you can upload your CV on your website. maybe from your dashboard, just go to your dashboard and go to media and click add new media. Then just click here and upload your CV. Once you upload your CV, you will find the URL. For example, let's say this picture that I uploaded, this is the URL. You can find it here. Click copy URL to clipboard and paste it. Paste the link here. This is just for an example. And once anyone click on this download CV, your CV will be downloaded on their computer, or it will display a page whereby your CV will be displayed, like the file. Your CV file will be displayed to them, and they can see whatever they want to see. And then it's about me, and this can just click here to change the picture to yours. Click here, and just like the same way I uploaded this background picture, just put your profile picture there, your professional picture, just put it there, and click select. So this will be changed. And like I said, if you want to edit any text, just click on the text. Click here. But if you can't click on any text, because for example, this one I can't click on it because it's already covered by this picture. So instead of clicking the text, this picture is clicking, and it is very easy. Just go to the navigator. That is one of the major work of this navigator. And you can see, if you click here, it's been directed to where the text is. This is the text. If you click here, this is this text. So just edit it. Then this heading about me, just edit it if you like. If you click here also. So that is basically how to do this. It is very, very simple and easy. This view resume, you can paste the same link like you paste here. So this one. So just paste the link here. And this hire me now. This can lead to the contacts page. We can direct it to this contacts page. And this is quite easy to do that. Let me show you. For example, if you click it, this hire me. If you click it, it won't lead to anywhere. It will just go back to this. But if you want it to automatically scroll to where they can contact you, I will show you how to do that. This is where they can contact you, and then click here. This one covers all these ones. Just click here and go to advanced. This CSS class is just write anyone, maybe contact. So, and go back to this one. This I am in now. Click here and write contact. But make sure this hash is there, hash contact, and update. So I'll show you how it works. Let me refresh this page. You can see all these ones have been changed. Now this I am in now. Once I click on it, I think there's an error somewhere, and I guess I know where the error is. So this one should not be in CSS class. It should be in CSS ID. That was a mistake on my side. So let me update it again and refresh the page so you can see how it is done. And so let me click it, and you can see it already scrolled down where they can contact you, number, and everything will be there. So the next thing I'm going to do is, these skills, you can click it. For example, Illustrator. Well, website developer should know about Illustrator, Photoshop, jQuery. But instead of Illustrator, let me just use Node.js. So you can change anything here. So Node.js, and this percentage you can reduce or increase it. So if you reduce it to 26, or you can increase it to 92. So that is how it works. You can also edit this text, or you can delete it. If you want to delete anything here, just right click on your mouse and click on delete. So it's gonna be gone. But if you want to restore it, if you don't want to delete it, click here, this history, and the last one you intend, click it. So, but you can write any text you want, and this you can change this one as well. 7 years plus experience. Well, if you just have 2 years, just write 2 years. If we have 3 years, right? 3 years, 200 plus project done. Let's say it is 50 plus project done, and 300 plus have clients. Let's say it is 20 plus have client, just for an example. And then the working process is this. But if you don't need this, you can actually delete it. Like I said earlier, this one right here covers the whole of this. So if you delete this one, everything will be deleted. This one covers the whole of this one. You can see how this was. It covers everything. And if you want to remove anything here, any elements, just click here, or any section, just click here. So the whole of this section has already been deleted. And if you want to add a new section, it is very easy. Just click this plus and click this plus icon. And then, but instead of this, you can actually import a template. It is very easy. So let me just show you how to import a template. Once you click on this plus, and you see here add templates, and you see a lot of blocks, just search for the blocks you want to use. For example, I feel like a portfolio website should have a testimonial section, but this one doesn't have. So I'll just write testimonial. I'll search it here, and I will look for anyone. I'm not sure there's a free one here. All of it are actually pro, but I think that is a recent change because they are always free template to use. But that doesn't change anything. You can manually do that. Just click here and then click here, first one. So search for testimonials. You can see testimonial and drag it and drop it here. So you're gonna need a little padding and margin, but majorly you're gonna need the padding. For example, let me see padding of this. So just click here and advanced, and these are 60 VX. So I'll just put it there. Click here and go to advanced. Then make sure these are not linked together because we just need the top and the bottom. Okay, this is done. So you can add as much as possible as you want to add. But if you have more than one testimonial, I will show you how to do that. So instead of clicking the first one, you're going to click on the third one. Let me delete that, and a new one. Click on this plus icon. As this one, if you have about 3, you can just use this. But for me, let me just use 2. And the testimonial, I'll drag it here, and then just edit the text, and then the picture, the name, the title. I think that's all. So let me work on the padding. Like I said, make sure these are not linked. Then 60 and 60. So this is good, and you can duplicate this. Right click on your mouse and click on duplicate and move it here. Just move it here. You can either duplicate it or just copy and paste it. It's the same thing. So we might want to add some designs. For example, this picture, this is actually a design. This one moving right here, this image. So let me add it there. Let me just copy it, scroll and paste this. I don't know where to paste it, but let me just paste it anyway. And paste. Okay. This only pasted within this. But I want it to be extended to this one also. I will just delete it and paste it here. Since this one covers the whole section, I'll just paste it here. Okay, you can see, I think this already worked. Nice and perfect. But if you don't want this, you can just delete it. It doesn't mean anything. But I think I like it like this. So just put the name and then the picture of the client and the title also. Then this recent project, this your portfolio. This is actually a form of picture. You can just upload the pictures. Click here on this pencil icon. You can see once you move your cursor to you will see edit basic gallery and okay. So go right to add to gallery and you can delete the other ones, just delete all these ones by clicking here, cancel, just delete it for everything. And once you are done, click add to gallery and choose your portfolio, and then click add to gallery. And that's it. So this gets in touch. This is where you can edit your contact details, your phone number. Click here and you can edit it, your email address, your location. But if you are a freelancer, you don't have a physical location, you can just delete this by right clicking on your mouse and delete. And delete this one also, delete. So you are left with this. Edit this text also. You might just delete it. I'm not sure there's anything you want to write. Just delete this and then you are left with this. This is a contact form shortcode. So I think that is done. So we are going to edit the header, then the footer. And before we do that, I will show you, because if anybody visits your website and input this, it might not be sent, the details might not be sent to your email address. So I'll show you how to connect to your email address. And to do this, go back to your dashboard. This is the dashboard. Then this is contact form. This is the contact form 7 plugin. Just click on it. And this is the contact form that was used on the home page. It is just one, so it is definitely the one. Click edit. Then click go to mail. There you can see it. So just put your email address here for me. My email address is this. Then make sure this contains your domain name. So it can be anything actually. This one doesn't matter actually. It can be anything. Info at. So this is already working. Then this one also. And click on save. So right now, if anybody inputs their details, we send a message to the contact from your website. Their details will be sent to this email address right here. And the next thing we are going to do is to edit the header and the footer. So let me close this tab and open this in a new tab. And to do this, just click on customize. And let me open this in a new tab also. Customize. This is just a one-page portfolio website. It is very easy to create and edit. So edit the header. Just click here. This is where you can change the logo. You can see all the pencil icons here. Click here, then change the logo, or you can remove it. Either you remove it or you can just change it. Put maybe a logo of yourself, your brand, or anything. Click on select logo. Select from your laptop files, and then you just click on select and upload. So that is it. And for all these things, these are the menu, and let me show you how the menu works. So once you click here, so you type them here, these skills. Remember, we delete these processes, so it won't delete anywhere. Then these portfolios, as a recent project, and these contacts. And it's the same thing with this also. But since this one is no more working, I'll show you how to change it and replace it with testimonials. Go back to customize, and this are the menu. So click edit menu. You see where this process, and to do this, go back to your website and edit with Elementor. So I'll show you how to do this. It is very easy. Scroll, and we didn't add any heading like this one. It's not difficult. Just copy this, or let me duplicate it. It's the same thing, and drag it here. It might not work. So instead of this, what I'm going to do is that I will do this again, and I want you to follow how I'm going to do this. But instead of this one, you are going to click, instead of this two, you're going to click just this one, and you will now drag an inner section here. And see, drag inner section. So this inner section is where we are going to input the testimonial. And I already show you how to edit the testimonial, so that should not be an issue. So let me copy and paste it instead of just duplicating it and paste. So you can see it works the same within the padding. How I showed you earlier, this should be 50 or 60, and this should be 60. And then next thing, I want to copy this, copy, and paste it here. And I'll just move it. So, so I want to write the testimonial, but I want to use the same template as this. So instead of just dragging a new heading and start editing, I will just duplicate this one and move it. Just drag it. So if you can't move it here, that is why we have the navigator. So this is it, the heading. So I will just move it here. So you see how this thing works. I just dragged it and drop it. If you are unable to drag it, maybe you are trying to drag it and it's not dragging, just go to the navigator and can drag it here. You can drag it anywhere. So just close this and edit this, click here. If it's not working, go back to the navigator and look for it. This is the heading, yeah, that's it. And write testimonials. I think we are good to go. So edit, copy updates, and for this, we are going to edit the CSS ID and write testimonials and click updates. So go back to customize and instead of arrival process, write testimonials. Let me see. I put S is there. So the same, make sure the same thing is, it is actually there. Make sure it is the same thing. So instead of process, write testimonials. So that's it. Click publish and refresh the page and click this. You can see it's already worked. Now going to the footer, this is quite easy. Just click on this pencil icons to edit, and it is not difficult. You can see get in touch, edit this text to anything you want. Just write anything, this email address, put it to yours, and this location. Just write a location. If you're using, if you don't have a physical address, and because you're a freelancer, just delete this. And about me, just write about yourself from the contents that you use, about yourself. And then for this project, can write just upload your own project, can edit and add to gallery, then choose from your media file. Or if you want to delete it, you can simply click on this remove right here, and it will be deleted. Let me show you. So you can see it's no more there. And if you want to edit this also, click here. Then write in your own here. Just write the custom. So it can be anything actually. Then we are good to go. So that is how to create a portfolio website. It's not a difficult process. It's a very easy process. If you want to, if you want to edit this, I'm pretty sure you know how to do that. But let me show you once again before I end this video. Like I said, this covers this whole section. This covers this whole section. So just click here and click on style. You see where you can change the picture. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials like this.